Do you know what's one thing that people with type 2 diabetes and prediabetes doesn't talk about as much? And this one thing that they don't talk about that much, it really kills me inside. I'm sure you're curious to know, yeah? And before I share that, I want to share a quick story that happened to me today. And if you don't know who I am, my name is Patrick. I had prediabetes back in 2021, and I successfully reversed it in 2022. And I've kept it reversed for 1.5 years. And I'm working with the Diabetes Magic Group to help people with type 2 diabetes and prediabetes learn how to reverse it too. So I woke up late this morning. I was shooketh because I thought, oh, am I even going to get a full workout in? It's too late now, and I don't know if I should go to the gym. Then I took a deep breath and realized that the habits that is taken to manage the diabetes, reverse it, and keep it reversed, it's a sliding scale. So what if I woke up late? I could still go to the gym, do my warm up, do one exercise, and head out. And that's what I did today. And now I'm more insulin sensitive. My muscles are activated because of that. And I am going to have a better day because of it. So that's the one secret that people aren't talking about. That managing diabetes, it's a sliding scale. Something is better than nothing. I hope you found this helpful. And if you want more tips on how to manage your diabetes, feel free to give us a follow.